Sean Diddy Combs is currently involved in a high-profile federal case in New York City, where he faces serious charges related to misconduct and organized wrongdoing. The case spans more than 30 years, with claims dating back to the early 1990s and continuing through 2024. According to a 17-page legal filing, Combs is accused of overseeing a network of inappropriate behavior that allegedly involved the misuse of power, manipulation, and unethical conduct. Authorities claim he worked with others to carry out these activities, which included controlling individuals through pressure and influence. More than 120 individuals, including both men and women, have come forward in various legal cases, describing a wide range of concerning encounters. Several say they were underage at the time or felt forced into situations due to pressure, fear, or being under the influence. Combs has denied all of the claims, stating that all interactions were consensual and asserting that some accusations are part of an attempt to harm his public image. His legal team has also requested the names of anonymous claimants to build a defense. Below is a timeline of major developments in the case. 2025. May 5th, jury selection begins in Combs's federal trial in New York City. The case, expected to continue for at least 8 weeks, marks one of the most significant legal battles for a figure in the entertainment industry accused of long-term inappropriate behavior. April 18th, a federal judge rejects Combs's request to delay the trial. His attorneys had asked for additional time to prepare, citing the large volume of materials involved. April 16th, Combs's legal team files a motion seeking a 2-month postponement, arguing that prosecutors were slow in delivering essential documents and that the case requires more preparation time. September 16th, Combs is taken into custody in Manhattan by federal agents after a sealed indictment is issued. He appears in court the next day and pleads not guilty to the charges. August 26th, Combs asks a judge to dismiss a lawsuit filed in February by a music producer who claimed he experienced inappropriate advances and was pressured into uncomfortable situations. Combs strongly denies the claims. June 10. Following public reaction to a leaked video, New York City officials request that Combs return a ceremonial key to the city. The video appears to show Combs in a troubling incident involving his former partner, Cassie Ventura. That same day, Howard University revokes an honorary degree and ends a scholarship program bearing his name. May 19th, Combs releases a video message online expressing deep regret for a past incident involving Cassie Ventura. He calls his actions inexcusable and says he is working on self-improvement while continuing to deny the more serious accusations against him. May 17th, a national news outlet publishes surveillance video from March 5, 2016, showing Combs in an altercation with Ventura at a Los Angeles hotel. The footage supports previous statements made in Ventura's legal complaint. March 25th, federal agents search Combs's properties in Los Angeles, Miami, and New York as part of an ongoing investigation. They remove electronic devices, medications, and firearms from the premises. Officials later confirm the searches are related to broader concerns involving unlawful conduct and privacy violations. February 26, a music producer files a legal complaint claiming Combs engaged in inappropriate behavior during a business trip. The plaintiff says he was made to participate in uncomfortable situations and felt his career was threatened if he refused. 2026, a woman files a lawsuit stating that in 2003, when she was 17, she was placed in a compromising situation and taken advantage of by Combs and others at a party after being given alcohol and substances. November 28th, Combs temporarily steps down from his role as chairman of his television network, Revolt, in response to growing public and legal scrutiny. November 23, just before the expiration of a New York law allowing adult survivors to file delayed claims, 2 more women file lawsuits. They allege incidents from the early 1990s involving inappropriate behavior and the use of substances without their knowledge. November 17, a day after singer Cassie Ventura files her lawsuit, a confidential settlement is reached. The details of the agreement are not made public. November 16, Ventura, a former artist signed to Combs's label, files a lawsuit claiming long-term mistreatment, including control over her personal life and pressure to engage in uncomfortable activities. She also alleges that Combs was connected to an incident involving her former partner, Kid Cudi. 2017. May Cindy Ruta, Combs's former personal chef, files a workplace complaint in Los Angeles County alleging repeated inappropriate comments and retaliation. The case is settled in early 2019 for an undisclosed amount. 2003, March 5th, the date of a key incident between Combs and Cassie Ventura at a Los Angeles hotel. Years later, surveillance footage emerges showing a confrontation, supporting Ventura's claims in her lawsuit. 1990, early 1990s, two women file lawsuits under the Adult Survivors Act, claiming they were mistreated by Combs when they were teenagers. One alleges she was just 16 at the time. They report being given substances and facing emotional and physical distress. Despite the volume of claims, Combs maintains that he has done nothing illegal or unethical. His attorneys argue that he is being unfairly targeted and that the accusations are an attempt to damage his legacy. Prosecutors, on the other hand, claim he used his wealth and influence to intimidate those around him and control the narrative. Due to concerns that he could interfere with witnesses or leave the country, the court has denied bail. As the trial proceeds, its outcome is likely to have major implications for both Combs and how the entertainment industry handles similar cases moving forward.